while since I've done a bike video. I injured my back about 20 days ago and have been going through some therapy and getting it back healthy again so I can ride. So today's my first ride in 20 days. It's kind of a weird time with everything that's going on in the world with the coronavirus and everything, but it's nice to be able to get out on the bike again after being off for a good while. So here we go. Just kind of warming up on this paved section. And then I'm gonna hit a little bit of off-road, and then the rest of the day will be paved. It's gonna be nice. I got about half a mile, no, about maybe a mile and a half in, and got into some mud. Whew. Didn't really want to get muddy today. It's just kind of packed dirt at this point. Just kind of get you a good visual of the river, I guess. Leaving the kind of unpaved section and heading over to Overholser and the West River Trail. There's a pretty little view there. In this gate, there's a real live bison. Easternmost terminus of the West River Trail, connects to the Oklahoma City River Trail. I'm not going to do that section today, but I'm going to head back, so I'll see you here in a bit. Great ride today, about 25 miles. Sun's come out, beautiful blue skies now. A little overcast and cold earlier, but it was a great ride. The bike did great, my back feels good, so that's good. I hope you're able to get out and enjoy the weather this weekend. Staying safe, social distancing, but I hope and wish everyone health and wellness right now. I hope you and all your families are doing okay.